Hey everybody, you know what they say, when in Rome, do as the Romans. We're in Mississippi, we're stuck here for a few extra days. Might as well smoke a butt roast. Ooh-wee. Good morning, YouTube. Let's see. That's right. Look at that smoke. All right, gang, here we are. 2 hours into our cook. She's looking prime. Well, she's looking butt rough. Prime rib's a different day. Heck yeah. So the rain has, we'll say paused. That's the word we're looking for, paused. We've been here for 2 weeks. It's rained for 12 days. But that's not what's important. There she goes. We gotta add some water to that pan. But that's looking stellar. We'll see you in a couple hours. All right, so we're back at it again. This is at the end of hour 6 of our cook. There we go. It's looking good. But we gotta close this door because if you're looking, you ain't cooking. One thing that's not an issue in the desert, typically, is barbecuing / smoking in the rain. We're gonna turn the fire up. We're gonna get wet to do it. Yep, look at that. That is 8 hours into our cook, folks. Woo! We need to get the fingers out of the way here. Yep, there we go. 8 hours into our cook. We're gonna add some smoke and some heat because this rain has cooled it down. Hey, you probably can't see it, but it's an airplane. All right, so we're at about 10.5 hours on our cook. I'm gonna take this bad boy out. Ooh, yeah. Because that fat is definitely rendered. We got a nice little crust on there. And the meat's pulling away from that big bone. So we're gonna get her out of there, wrap her, put her back in for another hour or so. She'll be ready to pull. Cooking smoked meat at the Air BnB. Is that against the law? There she is, getting ready to wrap up. Let's do it. I dumped some moisture over here. Some applesauce, a little tiny bit of whiskey, bourbon because we're in the South. And wrap it up really good. I know some people prefer paper. I don't care. I use what I have available. Foil was available. That's going back in the smoke. Get it out. Oh yeah, look at that. It pulls right apart.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Your pit boss didn't work that good.
Man, that came out awesome.
You kept it?
Right. Yeah, it just breaks right up right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It broke right up.